How's it going, everyone? It's everyone's video that they will want to see. So I'm going to do an update on CETX. I made a lot of money on this stock, and I just want to go over the pros, the cons, what you need to do, how to trade a stock like this. As the penny stocks are really hard, guys. I'm going to be honest. They can flip in a blink of a second. They can go down instantly. So when you see green, all I am saying is protect your profits. Never get in early, and do never have that fear of if I miss out on the pump. It's totally fine. I missed out on plenty of plays that I was watching. But sometimes like this, a play like this could happen. You'd be like, wow, I'm glad I did wait. So CETX, the main things we want to watch for is this EMA 5. EMA 5, it's going to get hit very soon. This is your target, guys. This purple band here. And anytime you see a stock not hit it in some time, you're going to get that little reversion to the mean. I think this is beautifully right here for a reversion to the mean right here. It might not seem a lot if you have a really bad average, but this has a potential to do a 67%. I am not in the position. I sold it on this candle right in here. And a lot of the times what I've noticed with the market makers, they had this big pump and then they dilute it. New people come in, that everyone gets excited and they start buying and buying it. I've noticed a lot of the times that this makes a new low usually after this pumps in. So you have this big move down, and then we have a pump here. A lot of people try to get back in on this lows, and then they did this, RS. They approved for another RS. I don't know the actual date, but I would assume it's 2025 most likely. But yeah, and then it goes, makes this big gap down, and everyone panics, and it goes down 29%. I kind of saw this coming, and that's why I say protect your profits right in here. This was a very nice move up here. I mean, if you're looking at this from the highest to lows, this was a 36%, and we got in at the very lows here. And I'll show you guys what the system tells us. So usually when you have a big drop down, it's going to take longer to hit the EMA 5 because look, it takes a while for the indicators to fluctuate to it. So for this EMA 5, we haven't hit it, and you clearly hit it here. The algos hit it. So this is your first day not touching this purple band. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I usually say to wait about 7 daily candles. So right in here at the end of the day is where you would buy. So I repeat, you only buy at the end of the day. So right in here at this very end of the day, you would have had your first initial entry right in here. And then I tell you guys, you accumulate and scale out. Believe it or not, you're not going to see this on the chart, but this thing has been spiking pre-market, and I've been taking gains on this here and there. I took about 10% here, 10%, and then this was the big move up. And every time I took gains, you see how, like, if it spiked pre-market, you take your gains, and then you wait till the end of the day again, and then it spikes again, and then you wait till the end of the day again, and then it spikes again. It's very nice. This time, I've just seen this pattern a lot, and every time we had this big move up, a lot of the times I seen after hours, I like to wait. And I was about to buy, but since they released that news after hours, I didn't decide to buy on this candle here. If you're in the Discord, you would have known on this candle here after hours, we're saying, okay, they are doing, this thing's going to go down because of the RS. It was going, and then bam. So that's why it's important if you are in the Discord to watch that. And I always like to look at after hours. I love to buy after hours and just kind of see a lot of these companies. They do some low ball hits and they try to slice some news after hours while no one's watching, and then people will be like, "Wow, why is it down 29%?" And then they just hate pennies. Pennies are hard; they're speculative, but with this system, you can still win. So we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 daily candles, not touching this EMA 5. My game plan is to get in here. It's October 20th. So I want to get on the Monday, October 21st, end of day, or even after hours, and kind of see here. I think this is definitely due. It has massive room. Like I said, this has a 670%. I mean, that's insane. And as you can see, it is going to scale down as time goes. But we know, anything with a big drop like this, usually 7 daily candles, we kind of see that. But you got to understand it's going to take a little longer. I think 14 daily candles is going to be the sweet spot. Also, look at this indicator down here, the stochastic. We are at a 1.99. Now, the reason why, if you know my strategy, why I was so confident on this candle here, I put some big money in. Look at the K value, 0.54. I repeat, you'll probably not see that very often. It's really rare to go under 1. Under 3 is pretty, really oversold, and that just means dead cat bounce. And what's the dead cat bounce? Right here, refresh the K value to 1.69. And that was all we needed to make massive money. We see the thing after hours right here, so we wouldn't get on this candle. I'm looking to get in soon, either Monday, or either Monday pre-market or Monday after hours. We'll see. Maybe I'll do some skin in the game. And then also this green band here, you might ask, what is that? That is my lower ATR4. If you're in my Discord, you know how to use this. Basically, when you see this under it, it's just extremely oversold. The yellow is the EMA 10. I wouldn't worry about this target so much, as this will probably not get hit for some time. What's going to happen is we're going to hit this EMA 5 and reject. A lot of people are going to chase this thing. Once this starts going up, people are going to buy it. Just like this candle, they get all excited. But with me, I don't want to buy it when it goes up. I want to buy it when it goes down. I want to buy it when it's depressing, when everyone's hating the stock. And then I sell my shares to the chasers who want to get in late. So that really is the name of the game. Pennies, you can buy them when they're up big, but you got to understand they also dump pretty fast. So you just got to understand the risk versus reward and what you're dealing with here. But as for me, I'd rather buy a penny stock that's extremely bottomed out, that you can get these reversions to the means. We know where the targets are. And I've seen this strategy happen so many times, guys. It happens a lot. It's just insane. A lot of people refer this to, I think, SBFM. I can show you guys, I traded this stock too. Same type of scenarios. You'll see these reverse splits, right? This was a massive winner, as you can see, but we were actually not at this green band here. But as you can see, even on these, trash companies, you see how we hit this EMA 5? Well, look at this. We haven't touched it in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, where do we get in at? 7th daily candle. Where do we sell? On the 10% rips, and we hold some for the home run hit. What did this do? 58%. You see the patterns here? What happens? Everyone chases, everyone gets in. This is your dead cat bounce. We had a K value of 2.16, refresh the K, and we go down. Where does price going to hit? It's going to hit this EMA 5. It's going to, it has to, and it will. And as you can see over time, we hit this EMA 5 and we reject down. What is our next target? The 10. So, and that's kind of what I'm saying with CETX. You have the same pattern here, but this is, in my opinion, way more oversold. We have a lesser K value. We're under this green band, so we can expect a bigger move, in my opinion. Same scenario here. We hit this, we get this dead cat bounce. I told you guys that's going to happen, but keep in mind, we're still due for this EMA 5, and it doesn't have to hit it right on the 7th daily candle. That's just where I like to get an entry, and it made good money doing that. All right, so my goal is on the 14th daily candle, I think we'll hit this EMA 5. I'm definitely looking to accumulate this. As you can see, there's massive room up, 67%. Whereas over here, if you bought it, there just really wasn't much room as much. I mean, 33%, it's not bad, but it is what it is. All right, that's my analysis, guys. Just keep it simple, stupid. It really is that basic. If it goes above the EMA 5, the market makers are giving us more money than we want. But I'm just saying a conservative target. After it hits 10%, I'm out. I'm taking half my size out. You can take 80% out and then trail stop the rest. That's the only way you'll get the move to just keep going up and up and up and up. Because the worst thing that can happen is if it pumps and then it goes back down, you lose out on taking your gains and then you turn negative. Something like this. It goes up, and then you didn't take your gains, and then you turn negative, and then you have a bad sentiment, and you start blaming everyone, and you're like, oh, this market's rigged or not. But you just saw a 30, 40% gain right in here, and you decided not to take it because you're greedy. And so I get that. I mean, we're all, greedy in nature, but you gotta fight the greed and understand is nothing is guaranteed in the market. Anybody that says this thing can go to $2, $3, they're just talking out of their butt. They don't know for a fact. They don't know. Nobody knows that. But I will say we are due for the EMA 5 and this green band right in here. We could easily go there. So this has massive room up just to that green band here. Look at that, 180%. So this is a very nice stock. I approve of this. If you're in the Discord, you'll know when I buy. If you guys want to join the Discord, click the link down below in the YouTube comments below. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. Go in the description. You'll see my link to join. I'll take you to this free chat landing page. Basically, if you want to subscribe and get access to all my services, all you have to do is hit day trade alerts here, and you'll see this channel here, and it'll say, would you like to subscribe? It's only $11.99 for everything, swing trades, day trades, and everything. And you can go to the server shop here and read more on how to trade like a pro using simple strategies that will make you a profitable trader. And I'm here to make you more confident and show you guys my ways. So for $11.99, you get access to everything. All right. I highly recommend it. It's very affordable, very cheap. If you subscribe on your computer, it will be less than doing on your phone through the app because it'll charge you a little more. That's your best price here, guys. And you're going to get everything, guys. I'm here to, really not just alert plays, but I'm here to really show you guys the importance of how to chart, how to get your indicators set up, and really understand how to learn to trade instead of just following people, because you're going to really want to know when you're in the heat of the battle, you're going to want to understand why you're sticking to your trade. You're going to understand why you would properly accumulate. And if you go to the swing trading education, you'll have these how to properly accumulate my reversals, how to use these indicators to be profitable. And then day trading is obviously my favorite. That's why I say I recommend being a day trader. You're going to make bank doing this simple day trading tactic that I don't have time to show you right now. There's other videos. Watch all these, and I promise you're going to love it. This is CETX, very low K value, high room up to the EMA 5, long EMA 5 time distance. I don't know what else that you guys want to ask for other than, if you were in here and then it had a 30% move against you. Well, you probably need to properly accumulate if you did get in here. Two, if you're in the Discord, we were saying they just did an RS announcement, and that's going to make it tank because no matter what, it's going to make it tank. So do try to stay in tune, but also always take the gains, guys. Never let a green trade go red. All right, guys, that's it for the video. I'll be in the Discord if you guys need me. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment, and let's make some money. All right, peace out.